Welcome to TRIUMF's Machine and Fabrication Shop. As we walk through the shop, please hit pause and look around. The 360-degree view will allow you to take a closer look at our 8 CNC machines, 3 manual lathes, and 3 manual milling machines, as well as lots of other equipment throughout the shop. The TRIUMF Machine Shop has 8 Haas CNC machines. These include 2 VF2 and 2 VF3 mills. These machines are 3-axis, 30 horsepower machines with a 20-tool carousel. The main difference is the machining size capabilities. The VF2s have a machining capacity of 30 inches by 16 inches by 20 inches tall. The VF3 have a capacity of 40 inches by 20 inches by 25 inches tall. We also use an SL30 2-axis lathe. This has a 30-inch swing, 39-inch long machining capability with a 3-inch diameter chuck bore. Along with the CNC machines, we also have 3 manual lathes and 3 manual milling machines for our simpler projects. Other equipment in the shop include a hydraulic press, brake, sheet metal shear, a 5-foot by 12-foot water jet cutter, and an array of grinding equipment. Along with our CNC machines, we have a number of other pieces of fabrication equipment. We are now entering our precision welding room. Here we use TIG welders for our more intricate welding processes. We check our welds for vacuum leak rates using a helium leak detector. We also have an electron beam welder for use on more exotic materials. The next work bay contains our quality assurance measurement equipment used to ensure our machine parts meet their manufacturing requirements. This bay also houses our stock layout area. As rough stock is cut, it is assembled here along with drawings ready to be brought out for final machining. The next bay is where our heavier fabrication and welding take place. This typically will use larger MIG or TIG welders. Next is our stock supplies. We keep standard metal supplies here and cut them to size with the large bandsaw. Flat metal parts go through their initial machining stage on our 5-foot by 12-foot water jet cutter.